What's going on, guys? Guys from Airsoft GI, and today I have with me another cool set of accessories. These are going to be wraps, vinyl wraps specifically, from a company called Abunai Supply that supplies us with these specific wraps for your Hi-Capa grips. These are a great way to go ahead and start personalizing and accessorizing your Hi-Capa. If you really want something that's going to stand out above just this endless sea of just bland, customized and still nice, but just very same old Hi-Capas. Just to go ahead and give yours just that extra little pizzazz, if you know what I mean. These wraps can range from $25 to about $30 and have a wide variety of different characters from different shows. Be sure to go and check them out online, guys. Been Isaiah from Airsoft GI. Take it easy.